Okay, grab your journal. At the top, write lesson 5. Today we're going to practice multiplying decimals. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do when you're multiplying decimals is understand and think about where the decimal point is going to be. So we're going to practice, okay? On your paper, write 4 times 0.4. Okay, before we do anything, you're going to look at that and you're going to say, okay, well, I've got 4 here and I'm multiplying it by 0.4. So I'm not, 4 times 4 is 16, but this is 0.4. So this is less than 1. So I'm going to be multiplying by less than 1. So what you do is you take the numbers. 4 times by 4 equals, we know that, equals 16, right? So we say equals 16. Okay. Well, we know that it can't be 16 because this is less than 1. So it can't be as big as 16, right? Now, it can't be 0.16 because that would be too small. So it's going to be right here, 1.6. Okay, let's do another one, okay? Let's do 43.8 times by 24.1. So first of all, in our heads, we estimate, okay? We say, about 40 times by 20. So in our heads, we do quickly 40 times by 20. What does that equal? 800, right? So we know that our answer is going to be around 800. It's going to be somewhere around 800, right? So now what we do is we multiply it out. We multiply it without the decimals, okay? So we go 438 times by, I wrote that wrong, sorry. 438 times by 241, okay? So let's multiply that out, shall we? 1 times 8 is 8. 1 times 3 is 3. 1 times 4 is 4. We put our 0 here. 4 times 8 is 32. Carry the 3. 4 times 3 is 12. 13, 14, 15. Add the group of ones. 4 times 4 is 16. 17. Okay, now we're going to do our 2. 2 times 8 is 16. Carry the 1. 2 times 3 is 6, 7. And 2 times 4 is 8. Okay, now we're going to get our answer here. Now let's add those up, get our answer. Okay. So then we get our answer. Let's put our zeros in. No, I'm sorry. Okay, we got our answer, right? 105,558. Now remember how when we estimated, we know that our answer is close to 800. So let's see, if we put our decimal here, what number have we created? We've created 10,555. Is that close to 800? No. If we put our decimal here, what have we created? 1,055.58. Is that close to 800? It is. So what if we put our decimal here? Then that's only 10 and all those after the decimal. Is that close to 800? No. So we know that our answer is close to 800. So we're going to put our decimal where it's close to 800, which is right there. Okay, so that's our answer. Okay, let's do one more, okay? I want you to write down. I'm going to turn the page. I need some new space. I don't know if you do, but I do. Let's write down 2.45 times by 3.3. Let's estimate. 2 times 3 equals what? 6. So we know that our answer is going to be around or about 6, right? Okay, now let's estimate, or so now we multiply. We're not going to multiply with the decimals right now. So we go 245 times by 33. Here we go. 3 times 5 is 15. Carry the 1. 3 times 4 is 12. Plus 1, 13. Carry the 1. 3 times 2 is 6. Plus 1 is 7. Put in our 0. 3 times 5 is 15. Carry the 1. 3 times 4 is 12. Plus 1 is 13. Carry the 1. 3 times 2 is 6. Plus 1 is 7. Now we add them up. 5 plus 0 is 5. 5, 6, 7, 8. 7, 8, 9, 10. Carry the 1 is 8. Okay, so we know that our answer is 8085. Now when we estimated 2 times by 3, we know that it's around 6. Well, we can't put our decimal here, then it would be 808. We can't put it here because then it would be 80.85. So we need to put it right here. And that's our answer. Okay? All right. What I need you to do is grab 10 index cards. Okay. On the first one, I need you to write 1.8 times 2.43. 1.8 times 2.43. On the next one, I need you to write 32.4 times by 5.2. On the next one, I need you to write 0.42 times by 1.23. Okay, on the next one, I need you to write 5.4 times by 7.1. And I need you to write on the next one 1.001 times by 8.21. Okay, so those are the questions that you're going to be doing. Now, let's write down all of the answers. Okay, are you ready? Here we go. 168.74. Write that down on an index card. Okay, on your next index card, write down 0.5166. On your next index card, you're going to write 4.374. The next one, 38.34. And finally, 8.21821. Okay, grab a boogie board and you're going to do the multiplication problems of the decimals, and then you're going to match up the answers to the problems. Good luck. Have a good time.